ಪ್ರಖ್ಯಾತ ಬಿಲ್ಡರ್ ಮತ್ತು ಡೆವಲಪರ್ ಆದಂಥ ಅತೀಕ್ ಅಹಮದ್ ಅವರು ಈ ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗನ್ನು ಕಟ್ಟಿ ಲೋಕಾರ್ಪಣೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಈ ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿರೋ ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಅದೃಷ್ಟ ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಈ ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ಗೆ OC ಇದೆ, ಖಾತಾಗಳಿದೆ. ಈ BBMPಯಿಂದ GBAಯಿಂದ ಸರ್ಕಾರದಿಂದ ಏನೇ ಸವಲತ್ತು ಬರಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು ಎಲ್ಲ ಸವಲತ್ತು ಬಂದಿದೆ.
ಪನತ್ತೂರು ಮುಖ್ಯ ರಸ್ತೆಯ ಬಾಳಗೆರೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಿರ್ಮಾಣಗೊಂಡಿರುವ ATZ ಅರೆವಾ ಲಕ್ಷುರಿ ಲಿವಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಹಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಐಷಾರಾಮಿ ಅಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಯೋಜನೆಗೆ ಅದ್ದೂರಿ ಉದ್ಘಾಟನೆಯ ಮೂಲಕ ಚಾಲನೆ ನೀಡಲಾಯಿತು. ಅರೆವಾ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಲೀಕರಾದ ತಹಸೀನಾರ ಅವರ ನೇತೃತ್ವದಲ್ಲಿ ನಡೆದ ಉದ್ಘಾಟನಾ ಸಮಾರಂಭದಲ್ಲಿ ವಿವಿಧ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರಗಳ ಗಣ್ಯರು ಭಾಗವಹಿಸಿ ಶುಭ ಹಾರೈಸಿದರು. ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವು ಮೌಲಾನಾ ಸಿರಾಜ್ ಅಹಮದ್ ಅವರ ಕುರಾನ್ ಪಠಣದೊಂದಿಗೆ ಆರಂಭವಾಯಿತು. ಬಳಿಕ ಹಂಸವೇಣಿ ಅವರು ಭಕ್ತಿಗೀತೆಗಳನ್ನು ಹಾಡುವ ಮೂಲಕ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ವಿಶೇಷ ಮೆರುಗು ನೀಡಿದರು. ಉದ್ಘಾಟನಾ ಸಮಾರಂಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಬ್ಬಾಳ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರದ ಶಾಸಕರಾದ ಸಿ. ನಾರಾಯಣಸ್ವಾಮಿ, ಮಾಜಿ ಬಿಜೆಪಿ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರಾದ ಸಿ. ರಾಜಾರೆಡ್ಡಿ, ATZ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟೀಸ್ ನಿರ್ದೇಶಕ ಡಾ. ಅತೀಕ್ ಅಹಮದ್, ದೀಪಾ ಅಕಾಡೆಮಿ ಫಾರ್ ಡಿಸೇಬಲ್ಡ್ ಮಕ್ಕಳು, ಮೊಹಮ್ಮದ್ ಇಲ್ಯಾಸ್ ನದೀಂ, ಜಾಗದ ಮಾಲೀಕರು ಸೇರಿದಂತೆ ಹಲವು ಗಣ್ಯರು ಉಪಸ್ಥಿತರಿದ್ದರು.
Good evening. Today we are here at ATZ Areva. This is my 10th project from ATZ Properties Bangalore. This is a 12-floor basement G plus 12 floors, 144 units. It is at Balgere Road, Vartur, Bangalore. This has been a complete OC project, CCOC project, and it has been successfully completed, and it has got one of the best ventilations and it has got the best elevations, which has been appreciated by all the customers who have purchased from us. And this being a handing over day today, and we are glad that we have invited all the flat owners. Since the project has been sold out almost a year back, we have invited all our guests here to be present with us in this get-together ceremony, where we have handed over all the flats today, and the project has been successfully completed with E-Khata, and we have started with registrations. And this was one of the best opportunity where people from throughout the country have invested in this particular project. We have people from all South Indian states, from all North Indian states who have taken and feel proud today that they have taken such a good project. And once it is completed, once it has been completed now with the entire illuminations and the way it is being done, everybody feels proud to be the owner of this ATZ Properties. Thank you. Just a year back, and now we have got the landowner share who has been selling at a very high premium cost, and since he's been holding some of the premium flats for him for his own occupation, and also few to be sold by him. Apart from that, we have most of the projects that we have done generally get sold out almost a year before the completion, and the same has been repeated here with almost the sales being completed almost a year back. More projects which are coming up. We do on both joint development, and also we take on our own properties, and some other properties we have given to other builders, since we do not believe in doing too many projects at a time. We have got current project going on in North Bangalore. We have tied up with Meenakshi Builders, where they have been constructing on a 4 acres plot, 313 flats, which is coming right behind Manathek Park. And we have got one more project which is coming on a 5 acre plot on Tanisandra main road, that is getting developed with Sri Mitra developers. And we have got our own project coming up opposite to Christo Jyoti College in K. Narayanpura. That will be about 450 flats. That is due to start next year June, almost a year from now. And we have got other projects coming up on the same road. Again, we have tied up with other builders. On the same road, we have got about 10 acres of property, which is coming out about 800 luxury apartments facing the lake. We have the website atzproperties.in, and I request people who would like to invest or would like to be part of our organization, kindly visit ATZ Areva, see the quality and the finishing that has been done. And I request all those who have been interested and would like to wish to really see the project may contact us. We will definitely do a site visit, and we also have a site engineer who will be able to take you around the project. We have got excellent corridors with about 6 feet corridors, and we have got very good balconies We have got very good quality maintained products here. We have got all main doors built of teak wood doors, that is frames and the door. Entire thing is built of teak wood, and internal doors are also of very high quality doors, hardwood. Internal tiles and all have been Exaro tiles, which are all 6 by 4 feet. Italian finish tiles we have used, and fittings have been done from REK products, which are on top quality products that have been purchased.
What's the starting price?
This we have sold out almost a year back. At that time it was about 80 lakh rupees. But now this project is selling at about 1.2 crore rupees starting for a 2 BHK, and the landlord is selling at about 1.8 crore rupees for a 3-bedroom apartment here. Yeah, thank you.
A to Z ಅರೇವಾ ಉದ್ಘಾಟನೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ಖುಷಿಯಾಗಿದೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಆತ್ಮೀಯ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರು ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿನ ಪ್ರಖ್ಯಾತ ಬಿಲ್ಡರ್ ಮತ್ತು ಡೆವಲಪರ್ ಆದಂಥ ಅತೀಕ್ ಅಹಮದ್ ಅವರು ಈ ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗನ್ನು ಕಟ್ಟಿ ಲೋಕಾರ್ಪಣೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಈ ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿರೋ ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಅದೃಷ್ಟ ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಈ ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ಗೆ OC ಇದೆ, ಖಾತಾಗಳಿದೆ. ಈ BBMPಯಿಂದ GBAಯಿಂದ ಸರ್ಕಾರದಿಂದ ಏನೇ ಸವಲತ್ತು ಬರಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸವಲತ್ತು ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಯಾವುದೂ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅವ್ರು ನೆಮ್ಮದಿಯಾಗಿ ಸುಖವಾಗಿ ನಿದ್ರೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಈ ಒಂದು ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗಲ್ಲಿ ವಾಸ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಅಂಥ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆಯನ್ನು ಕಲ್ಪಿಸ್ಕೊಟ್ಟ ಅತೀಕ್ ಅಹಮದ್ ಅವರಿಗೆ, ಅವ್ರ ಕುಟುಂಬದವರಿಗೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದಾಗಲಿ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರ್ಯಾರು ಫ್ಲ್ಯಾಟ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ರು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಶುಭವಾಗಲಿ ಅಂತ ಕೋರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ಅತೀಕ್ ಅಹಮದ್ ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಕಲ್ಚರ್ಡ್ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ, ಎಜುಕೇಟೆಡ್ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ. ಅವರಿಗೆ ಮೋಸ ವಂಚನೆ ಯಾವುದು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಸಮಾಜವನ್ನು ಕಟ್ಟುವುದೇ ಅವ್ರ ಗುರಿ. ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದಾಗಲಿ.
मैं मौला से क्या दोस्तोर मांगो, मैं मौला से क्या क्या ये कम है कि मेरे खुदा ने मुझे, क्या ये कम है कि मेरे खुदा ने मुझे अपने महबूब का उम्मती कर दिया, क्या ये कम है कि मेरे खुदा ने मुझे, क्या ये कम है कि मेरे खुदा ने मुझे अपने महबूब का उम्मती कर दिया। इस करम का करो शुक्र कैसे अदा, इस करम का करो शुक्र कैसे अदा, जो करम मुझ पे मेरे नबी ने किया। मैं सजाता था सरकार की महफिलें, मैं सजाता था सरकार की महफिलें।
ದಿವ್ಯಮತಿ ಸರಸ್ವತಿ ಕೊಡು ಬೇಗ ದಿವ್ಯಮತಿ, ಇಂದಿರಾ ರಮಣನ ಹಿರಿಯ ಸೊಸೆಯು ನೀನು, ಇಂದಿರಾ ರಮಣನ ಹಿರಿಯ ಸೊಸೆಯು ನೀನು, ಬಂದೆನ್ನವ
वैसे लॉन्ग इंतजार तो 11 रुपए की पुलिस कर रही है। अच्छा, लेकिन एक बात बताने भाई, ड्रग से पकड़ना मुश्किल ही बल्कि आसान है, क्योंकि गन हमारे साथ खड़ा है।
Hi, my name is Sairam. So I have purchased this flat. I've checked out a lot of places in Bangalore, in and around Whitefields, because the traffic in Bangalore is too much. So I've searched for a lot of properties, but after looking at this property, I was not able to look at any other one. I got satisfied because of a lot of ventilation in the flat. It has I purchased a 3 BHK which has 4 balconies totally, and out of which everywhere I get sunlight, which I don't find in nearby societies. So that's why we have bought it, and my wife has liked this property. After looking at this property, we have checked the entire lane till the end, but this is the one which we liked. So, and comparative to the pricing also, it was pretty good. So we went out properties near Whitefields, Hope Farm. There we could find properties at around starting range around 1.8, 1.9, but this was a bit cheaper, and now the facilities are being developed, and I hope they'll develop the amenities more, and we'll have a better society.
2022 में लिया था
भुवनेश्वर से हैं हम। बहुत अच्छे लोकेशन पे है, थोड़ा लेट हुआ लेकिन बहुत अच्छा है। अभी सब कुछ बढ़िया, अभी तो धीरे धीरे और इम्प्रूव हो रहा है। 804 है, 8th फ्लोर है। अभी हेल्प कर रहे हैं नदीम और मिस्टर अतीक, हेल्प कर रहे हैं। प्रॉब्लम रहते हैं लेकिन अभी सब कुछ धीरे धीरे बेटर हो रहा है।
And I have brought a flat number 611. So currently all 70-80% work done. Still immediately is ongoing. Hopefully it will be done within 1 or 2 months. Then after we will do settle down here. Oh, my flat is 204. The flat is good. We are doing the interiors now. Welcome, Sharad Kumar. We bought a flat of 104. It was really nice. The experience was much better. It was really nice. The response from the builder, the landowner, everyone was really great. And being a family, it's very lovely to do in this community. Thanks for that. Thanks for everyone. Thank you. This location is like the central part of it. That's why like it's connecting everywhere from here, Whitefield and that side. So that's why we chose this location.
Flat number is 101. It's starting unit only. So this is my flat only. Whenever at a glance. So everything is good, but little bit delay was there. But construction and all the quality is good. So finally we'll get the end up and we
लोग बेसिकली उड़ीसा से है और यहाँ पे बैंगलोर में लगभग हो गया 15 साल हो गया और मैंने ये 2 साल हुआ ये फ्लैट लेके हुए और लेकिन मतलब यहाँ पे कंस्ट्रक्शन क्वालिटी अच्छा है। मेन चीज़ आपको यहाँ पे लोकेशन अच्छा है, नज़दीक आपको सर आईटी कंपनी यहाँ पे मिलेगा तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है। एंड बिल्डिंग वाइज कंस्ट्रक्शन अच्छा है और प्राइस आप अगर देखोगे तो इतना भी हाई प्राइस नहीं है। तो ओवरऑल इट इज़ ए वेरी गुड एक्सपीरियंस।